Another special thing that we buy today is margarine from Migros budget, and you can see the specification: 70% of fat, and this is and if you are going to cook something, instead of using coconut oil, you can use the margarine. Or also margarine will be useful if you are going to cook bread or something, dough, or even pizza. This is the usage of margarine is more better than use the coconut oil. And also it has a vegan logo, means if this is can be used if you are vegan. And this is also the same, no new information here, and maybe you will find another information, the details of ingredients in the bottom of this margarine. And as usual, the languages is not in English. I'm sure this is in German, even not in French, I think. Oh, in French, German, French, and this is Italia. Yes, yeah, the information something like the nutrition fact and also the detail of ingredients, nothing. And you can see also the expiration date here. Yeah, and let's go open it. You can find hygienic and security seal in the top edge, so you can make sure this is still new and still good. I guess I hope this quick review is useful for you, and see you later. Bye.